Good morning, all of you. Today, class economics second year continue the lesson. Today, yesterday discussed about some topics, economic growth and economic development. Today, discuss determinants of determinants of economic development and what are the influencing factors of economic development. There are different type of factors influences on economic development. Firstly, mainly divided into three parts. Economic determinants divided into mainly three parts. First part, second part, and third part. First part, natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources. What is natural resources? Like forests, coal, mines, different type of trees, and different type of parts and availability of natural resources in economic development. Natural resources is a very important process to the economic development. Mainly tells a different economists tells us natural resources is a important role in the economic development. Mainly W.A. Lewis, Jacob Weiner, William J. Baumer, mainly three economics tells us very important role is a natural resources to the economic development. Main three economists: first W.A. Lewis, Jacob Weiner, William J. Baumer tells us natural resources is a important to the economic development. The first part and the very important aspects and very important determinants mainly economic development is a natural resources. The first part. Next, economic factors. Economic factors. What is economic factors? Economic factors tells us only financial condition of a countries. Financial condition of a countries. Mainly financial conditions. What is financial conditions? Mainly financial conditions. Mainly three dividing parts. Financial conditions and economic factors mainly divided into three parts. Capital formation. Capital formation. Capital formation. What is capital formation? Capital formation means money distributing different sectors. Mainly included of three types of sectors of Indian economy: primary sector, secondary sector, and service sector. Primary sector, secondary sector, and service sector. Primary sector gives to the importance of only agriculture sector. Second sector importance only industrial sector. Third sector mainly depends on banks, bank loans, financial institutions, almost all type of gives to the only money reforms. Mainly capital formation. What is capital formation? This simple question of 2 marks. What is capital formation? Capital formation means money flow to the another sector, sector to sector, market to market, place to place, change into mainly financial institutions like transport, transports the money distributing place to place, transporting money distributing place to place. Next, transport. Next, banks. Banks means banking system. Today, India is a important banking system. Not only India, only almost all developing countries like India, Sri Lanka. You know in the previous classes, what is economic development. Economic development gives to the importance only developing countries. Developing countries like India and Sri Lanka mainly banking systems, transport. Next, which area goes to the capital formation? Capital formation means money changing. Main key role is a capital formation. Capital formation key role is the economic factors or economic development. Next, capital formation. Next, capital formation. First part, 2 marks question. Mainly 2 marks question. What is capital formation? Transport, banks, financial institutions. Financial institutions. Next, foreign trade. What is the importance of foreign trade to the economic development or developing countries? What is foreign trade? Foreign trade is a engine. To the economic development. Foreign trade change to the technology, gives to the importance of investments, imported of knowledge from the other countries is called foreign trade. Next, foreign trade implementation of globalization. What is globalization? Globalization means our country product goes to the other areas in the global market. So, foreign trade is a next economic factor of economic development, and a different type of determinants used to the importance of first part capital formation. Next, foreign trade. Next, marketable surplus. Market surplus. What is market surplus? What is meant by surplus in the simple word? Surplus means remaining goods. For example, India is a developing country. India almost depends on only totally agriculture sector. So, food grains, our food grains availability or remaining food grains change to the other areas is called marketable surplus. And the marketable surplus is to the important role to the economic factors. Main 3 types of roles: capital formation, foreign trade, next marketable surplus like food grains. Remaining food grains export to the other countries like USA, Canada, China. Different type of parts change to the marketable surplus. Example, food grains. Mainly 2 parts discuss about two determinants of economic development. First, natural resources. Next, economic factors. The third part is non-economic factors. What is non-economic factors? Non-economic factors is a not importance of financial institutions, not inclusion of financial matters. In this year, non-economic factors. What is non-economic factors? Non-economics, no capital formation. Non-economic factors, no capital formation, no natural resources. Firstly, human resources. Human resources is a abundant and important role plays to the economic development. In the developing countries, different type of people gives to the hard work from their countries, and the implementation of technology, implementation of skill, implementation of investment, implementation of saving to the human resources. Human resources means gives to the importance of manpower. What is meant by human resources? Manpower. Mainly manpower. Manpower is the importance. Every person will do the hard working. The countries developing also in the previous years are future terms. Main example, human resources is a manpower. Human resources is a very important to the economic development. So is human resources main determinant of economic development. In the development, economic development in the previous class, what is economic development in the previous classes? Economic development means only developing countries, not developed countries. Firstly, broadly classified into two types of countries. First, developed countries and developing countries. Economic development gives to the importance of only developing countries. Okay, human resources. The first importance, non-economic factors gives to the first human resources. Next, political freedom. Political freedom. Political freedom. What is political freedom? In the previous years, mainly past 10 years, the India is by the hand of British rule. By the hand of British rule. Not India is a political freedom then. Now India is a political freedom. Political freedom is mainly important role of economic development. So, determinants of economic development mainly political freedom. Next, corruption. Corruption means money earning only swindling. Money swindling different parts. Corruption means India, the mainly developing countries gives to the corruption. For example, black money, changing of currency, not paid to the tax, easily coming to the government. So corruption is a main important part of determinants to the developing countries, mainly economic development. Non-economic factors mainly human resources, political freedom, next corruption. First part human resources, second part political freedom, third part corruption, next government interfere. In the previous class, there was about compulsory the government interferes to the economic development, means developing countries. Next, human resources, political freedom, corruption, government intervention. Next, the different parts of important to the economic development. Mainly, these are very important key role to the economic development. The question gives to the another question. Determinants of economic development asked the different type. What are the influencing factors of economic development? What are the influence factors of economic development? What are the determinants of economic development? Same question. Easy gives to the easily answer. Natural resources, economic factors, non-economic factors. Economic factor, natural resources, 3 part, 1 part only. Economic factors, capital formation, foreign trade, next marketable surplus. Next, non-economic factors, human resources, political freedom, corruption, government intervention. Next, desire to develop. Next, desire to develop. Developing country people are almost try to desire to develop in the political, financial inclusion, very different parts gives to the try to the desire to the development is cause of main factor of determinants of economic development. Economic determinants is a very important question. Almost do you know? Next in this topic, per capita income. per capita income. What is per capita income? Per capita income means in the yesterday classes average income of a person. Average income of a person within 1 year period. Within 1 year period. Next, dual economy. Dual economy. India is a dual economy. Dual economy. What is dual economy? Dual economy means dual. What is dual economy? Dual economy means two sectors work in India. Mainly work in not only India, all developing countries. Dual economy means, dual means two. The first, organized sector, organized, the first organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector, unorganized sector, existence of one place is called dual economy. Is called dual economy. Dual economy gives to the word Benjamin Higgins. Benjamin Higgins. Higgins used the word dual economy in the economic development. Dual economy, per capita income, dual economy. Next, capital formation. Capital formation. Capital formation means money changed to the another place. Money distributing, irrigation facilities, transporting, bankings, different type of parts changed to the money is called capital formation. Per capita income, dual economy. Next, capital formation. Main important 2 mark economic growth. Economic growth. What is economic growth? Economic growth related only developed countries. Only developed countries like India, Canada, Switzerland is a developing countries. Economic growth. Mainly important questions: per capita income, dual economy. Next, capital formation. Next, national income. National income. What is national income? All type of income, all people's income within 1 year period is called national income. All people's income within 1 year period is called national income in an economy. Okay, per capita income, dual economy, national income, capital formation, economic growth, and very important other questions gives to you in this lesson. Very important topic, economic growth and economic development. మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో విన్న క్లాసులు మీరు నోట్ చేసుకోకలేదు, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నోట్స్ వాట్సాప్లో పంపించడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.